Well, good morning, everyone. This is another video by Radio Nut R. This is my DAC 10, just back from the repair shop receiving DX. Hello, DX Land. Hello, DX Land. Skip Land. 750-750 Cincinnati, Ohio. Standing by. Yeah, that's weird stuff. It comes in real strong and then it fades out real fast. A888 750 Cincinnati said good morning. I guess I'm not getting out that far. Don't have enough power. Anyway, got the DAC back from the repair shop and just turned it on, a bunch of DX rolling. Everybody have a great day. 7-3s, and see you again.